So the first and foremost important topic is steps of research. So what is the flow of the research? So how it is begins, how it is ends. They usually ask, they usually give the statements and ask you to arrange in a order based on the research steps. So that is the one possibility that they can ask. Okay, so the steps are research problem. First you find out the research problem, then you will do literature review. After that you will develop a hypothesis, and then you form the research design and you collect the data. There are two types of data, primary data and the secondary data. And after collecting the data, you will analyze the data, and once you analyze, you will find a conclusion, okay, for your research problem. After all, you start writing the report. Okay, then the next important topic is layout of the thesis. So there are some prior pages in the layout which are very important to be presented in a thesis. So the first page of a thesis called title page, and after that we have thesis certificate and acknowledgement. Then we have abstract of our thesis and contents, what are the contents, and list of figures, list of tables, and followed by nomenclatures or the abbreviations. Okay, so when it comes to the main thesis, the first chapter will be on introduction, and the second chapter is on literature review. Third chapter is about the methodology or about the experiment. In the fourth chapter, you will discuss your study, and in the fifth chapter, you will give the results and the discussion of your study, and you conclude your study in the seventh chapter. Whereas the seventh is the references, you will provide the references, and the eighth is appendix. So you will give the the data that is used collected in your research. Okay, so research steps and the layouts of the thesis are the most important. Okay, in with respect to the layout of the thesis, they will ask about the structure. Okay, so what all is in the thesis page, what all is in the title page, so what do you write in the literature review, it's all asked.